Hey guys, Thursday, March the 7th of 2024, U.S. pre-market open. So I wanted to kind of look at other things since I don't want to keep my videos doing the same thing. Spectrum analyzer looking good right here. So far, picked this low, and then there's this other swing low of two points I'm using on the spectrum. And so far, it's, making higher highs and higher lows. This is a PC cycle. I'm watching for the 24th. Another PC cycle, and you see that it kind of pulls back. So if there's a pullback, it could be following these cycles here. This is another PC cycle I'm watching, the 18th around there, and this is an annual cycle. And it says it gets a little toppy or pulls back here on the 12th, so I'm watching that. I'm going to show you why. And then the 19th, then it continues trending higher, but we don't know if that's going to play out. The computer kind of saying it could probably play out using the neural net. And it's also indicating here there could be a possible big pop or a nice little move a leg higher, but then around the 12th it gets, it pulls back in. So we'll see. Here it didn't pull back in, and you see that it exploded higher. So maybe it could be an inverse, I don't know. But so far it's forecasting higher prices. The Bradley model is indicating also watch out for like the 11th and the 14th. So there's like a little cluster happening here. If you put the annual model, you kind of see it kind of lining up here. So we'll see in the neural net pulling back around here this time. And then lastly, the crossover Fourier analysis. You can see that right there. There's a crossover that's coming up, which is going to be like the 12th, 13th, Tuesday or Wednesday. So I have that on my watch. So I just want to kind of give you a heads up on that. Here's another chart I like to look at. The Dewey cycles are bottoming out, and we're somewhere around this time frame this week. And now they start going up. As you can see, they're all projecting higher. The Gann swing, the Gann swing is positive. The advanced one is not yet. We're watching for this point right here, which is like the 25th, 26th. I cleaned up my mirror cycles, and now I'm using it from this anchor point and this anchor point. So let's see. There's like a little pop here, 11, 12. Remember that? I've been telling you about that crossover, 11, 12. Because it'd be interesting to see if we get this nice pop and this move higher on this chart for the next couple of days. The next one I wanted to show you is, I believe it's this one. Let's see, Elliott wave. You see, there's a wave 5. An alternate count is this is a wave 4, and actually a wave 3. Alternate count is wave 3, and somewhere around here there's a wave 4, and then a wave 5 is down in the future. So far, this one I use is saying it's a wave 5. There's a short-term one, which just is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's a 5 coming here. So either way, watch out for the 8th and the 12th. This is the ellipse technique. So once we get closer to the edge, we could probably kiss here, 205, wherever the edge is, it gets volatile. And this is the 12th. You remember the 12th had a lot of things coming up. So keep that in mind. And you see the Stokes are very positive. So can we push higher? Yeah, we could eventually push higher. These are targets. I don't know we're going to get 253, but you never know. You're dealing with the Black Widow. But that's what the count is. So I'm watching that. And then lastly, the commitments of traders report, you can see that large speculators stalled. They didn't continue pushing lower, and the same thing with commercial. So let's see how that's going to play out. If they're going to start digging in, and large speculators are going to be buying in regards to position. Let's look at our charts. As you can see, we have broken this angle. We're going sideways, so we're kind of losing a little steam here. Just kind of going sideways, not going higher, no lower. Just consolidating. Be nice if we could break through this angle and continue this momentum speed. But so far, that's what the chart is doing. That's what the price action is doing, also showing us. With the Gann grid, it's a little more positive because you're still holding the 1x1, which is a 45-degree angle, and we just kind of, chopping around there, but now we're above it, so that's good. So maybe we might get a leg higher here. I can't remember the statistical calendar off the top of my head. It might be positive, but not by much. Let's go to our charts. As you can see, we just kissed the 1/4, which is today, the March the 7th. The next one would be the 12th, which would be the 1/3. So let's see if we could kind of push higher. Let's see, that's the 12. Yeah, so remember the 12th, that's the 1/3. So let's see, maybe we could do another leg, and maybe here is we're going to retrace for a little bit. But so far, it's moving higher. And this could probably be your target again, that $2 one. But so far, it's been holding this pivot here of 192. And if we look for the week, the big picture target would be 208, between $2 and 208. If it could just get up there and close nice for the week. For today only, you have your line in the sand, which is $1.95. So we went high here, pulled back, was holding here. So we could continue grinding higher. Targets to the upside would be the $1.98, $2, and 201. And if for some reason they want to slam it, 192, 191, and 189. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.